Morning everybody. We're going to make apple turnovers this morning and I'm going to show you everything we need, and I forgot one thing, so I'm going to go get it, but I'm going to keep talking. So I've been saying that I've been going to make pasties, but with this little new puppy and everything, it's been very hard to do anything. So we are using this today to make the apple turnovers. And I will show you how I use it. And it says right here, large dough press. Ideal for turnovers, empanadas, calzones, dumplings, pockets, Monte Cristo sandwiches, and pierogies. Wow, pretty good, huh? So you're gonna get to see how this works today while we make the apple turnovers. And I'm gonna bring you down, well, before I do that, people had asked me about my chopper that I use. It's right here. It's called the LHS. I'm not getting endorsed by this company. I bought this myself. It's a little stained right here by doing so many tomatoes and everything, and peppers. But this is the dice that I like to use, the blade. That works really well on just about everything I want to do. So I'm going to bring you down and show you that and everything else that you're gonna need. So, hold on. My new tripod hasn't come yet, but I did order one. Now all I gotta do is order my new glasses. I got my backup glasses on and they give a lot of glare. My other ones, the glare's coming off and I just can't see and read, so I have to use my backup. Here we go. We're going down here. Excuse the hands. I gotta use what I got here. Oh, I think I'm right there, I'm sorry. We're gonna use a cutting board, which is right here. We're going to use a pre-made pie crust for those that are all busy. Not everybody has time to use the hand ones. We are gonna use a tad of nutmeg and a tad of cinnamon, and I am going to get just an itty bitty tad of sugar out, which I've not done that. We are going to use a Cortland, and we are going to use a ginger gold. And I'm gonna mix these two apples together. Okay? And then I'm just gonna use my chopper here that I can fold up and put in the bowl. I absolutely love that. I got that at the Taste of Home in my box that I received. And like I said, the dough. And here it is right here. It is called the LHS vegetable chopper. That's what it looks like on the box. And these are the blades you get right here. And it says product detailed chopper, slicer, technology for the highest demand in a special product processed surface of the stainless steel treated with professional etching techniques with 5 grading blades and a practical food container. LHS has over 20 years experience in the kitchen utensils. Our expertise and technical innovations, quality and design combine to bring perfect grater, which will make you enjoy happy cooking time. And there's a website right here. Unfortunately, it was made in China, but there are quite a few folks out there that are preppers that do use this product. And it does work very well. And you get this little slider, which you can put something in. And let me show you here. Say you got an apple piece or something, you want to grate it, you can slide this up and down. You have a little slicer one. You have a smaller grate one. This is very, very small. And then you have this little comb that goes right here. You can see I'm getting a little bit of glare this morning. And you can just go right through like this. And this is how you clean it, and it works really well. And you have a very small grater blade. And you have a larger grater blade. So I wanted to share that with you. And once everything's full, you just open it just like that. And here's all, everything gets collected here at the bottom, just like this. So when you get something in there, you just push it down and that's it. I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. I decided to use some monk fruit. And I used 4 packets of monk fruit. And I took about a tablespoon of cinnamon and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. And that's it for in here. That's going to be the filling from the apple because you're going to have a lot of flavor from the apple in there. Now, I use my apple corer, which is right here. Push it over. I peel the apple. Then what you do is you put the apple in and you push it down. It takes the core out for you. That'll be good for the chickens later. And then here are the slices of apples all ready to go. How easy is that? So that's done. So what I'm going to show you now is how this works. You're going to put an apple in. Maybe we can put 2 in. Put them in like that. That's it. How easy is that? Whoops, it's sliding all around on me this morning. So if you have to make baby food or anything, this is just so much easier to do. Okay, love my chopper. Took me 1 minute and 30 seconds to do that. So we're going to take it like that. And I'm going to show you how beautiful is that. So all the apples diced right there, chopped. Just going to put it in this so you can see. Had to watch my camera time here, so I'm trying to get everything in I can possibly get in for you. You've got clean hands. I always start with clean hands. That sure does help, because you never know what kind of messes you're going to get into. So we've got that already, just like that. Now, I took a little flour in case I needed it. I'm not sure. I don't work with frozen pastry dough very much. You can get whatever brand you want. Your choice. They say you can actually roll it a little. Let me see here. Again, I don't get endorsed, but this is Pioneer Woman. I don't even know. I haven't seen these around for a while. Just gonna give it a slight roll. Just like this. Just a slight one. Oh, did you guys hear my oven? It was the oven saying, "You ready?" Okay, I've never used one of these, so let's see what's gonna happen. It says you do this. Looks good to me. And of course, if you're making your own dough, it's going to go a lot farther. Now this made 2. And now I'll just make 2 for now. You have this leftover dough. I'll put it together and make another one. So what you're going to do now, look how perfect these cut out. How beautiful is that? Now you're going to put it in here, just like this. And we're going to use my Grammie spoon. It says go right down the middle. So I'm going to go right down the middle with this. Okay, just like this. Then you bring it up. That's to my understanding, that's all you do. Just like that. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Can you get any more beautiful than that? I don't want a lot of glare. Look at that. That is beautiful. Looks like store-bought. And we are going to, what I'm going to do is put an egg wash on here, poke it. I forgot I should put an egg wash on. Put a couple little sticks in like that. Put an egg wash on and I'll bring you back. I did the first one without putting it in any seasonings, but Ray wanted to try it both ways, so we're going to do it that way. There we go, like that. He's going to see which one he likes the best. And then you take it and you just squeeze it. I can't believe how good these are coming out. Oh my gosh, they look like a professional done it. Look at that. Ray's in the background saying, you are, aren't you? No professional, Ray. Just because I had my baker's license. Okay, now we're going to put it on the tray here. Just like that. And I got some egg wash, just an egg white. And I would normally put sugar on the top, but now with the diabetic situation, that ain't gonna happen. So we just do this. Okay, folks. I will bring you back when they come out of the oven, and how good do they look? Okay, here's the ending result. And I'm going to get a little plate, and Ray has just come in from working hard outside, and he's going to take a little bite because we haven't had supper yet. So he can finish it after his supper. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, remember when I did the video, this one here has no cinnamon, no nutmeg. This one here has cinnamon and nutmeg. And we had to break them open to find out. So Ray has little pieces of each. So Ray, I'm gonna let you hold it up. I think I just gave you a napkin. So I'm gonna bring it up to you right now.
Yep.
Bring it up so I can, yeah.
This one here?
Yep.
Okay.
And which one's that?
This is the one with no
That's no sugar. That's
no sugar.
just plain apple.
Okay, here we go, people.
Eat the whole thing if you want, or eat just a little bit of it. Or maybe just a bite of each, because I don't know how much time I have on the camera.
That's good.
Is it good without no sugar, no cinnamon, no nutmeg?
Yep.
Tell me the difference. Now show me this one.
This one here is darker, as
Right.
you can see. I suppose they can see that.
Correct.
Okay.
Now give me your honest opinion on which you like the best.
Good. I like the one with cinnamon and nutmeg, of course.
Of course. Now, is there a big difference of the natural sugar of the apple?
Oh yeah, I can tell.
You can tell.
Yep.
Okay, so when I make them again, which ones are you going to prefer?
Well, I gotta have the ones with the fake sugar, of course.
Right, that's what I have.
Okay. Yep.
And I used monk fruit for that.
Yep.
Can you have an aftertaste with that, or do you need enough?
Yeah, a little bit. But
Well, it seems like everyone I give you complain about, so.
No, that's the way it is, you know.
Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Please give me thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that bell. And if you're not getting my notifications, please unsubscribe and re-hit that bell, because some folks aren't getting it. So Ray says good. So Ray, you know what? We haven't had supper, right?
Yep.
Can you tell everybody what we're having?
We're gonna have ham Italians.
All right, folks, you got it from the horse's mouth. Ham's Italians. We'll catch you later. Have a great night. Have faith and hope, and stay safe. Bye now.